Good morning, guys. So today we are up for another ride. So today is Honda's Adventure Tour. So we are riding from Ho Tram to Bao Chang, if I'm pronouncing it right. But yeah, it's somewhere in nearby Phan Thiet. So we are gonna do some sand riding, I guess, sand and gravel riding. But now, first, we need to reach to the place where we can check in and get ready for the ride. So, let's go. We are there and we are gonna check in. There you go. There's a lot of crowd already over there. So guys, we arrived in McD, did the check-in, we had some breakfast, early breakfast then. People are still coming in and we have to check in over there. We are having some McD as well. Getting crowded. That's a lot of Honda bikes. Hello. Sorry.
I see you
last time Bao. You guys can see that there's a Honda bikes over there, and we have some BMWs here. And a lot of Ducati guys showed up today morning. Ducati Scrambler. Looks nice. Scrambler and Multistrada. And those are expensive bikes. So for this ride, we are number 4. I forgot what was my last number for Bao. So this is my second ride with Honda Adventure Workshop. Let's see how it goes. They gave us 2 patches. One Adventure Workshop patch and then I don't know what that is. But yeah, good to have. Pegasus is all ready. Once I'm back, she needs some servicing. That's pretty much it. Hondas are highly reliable, so you don't need to service it all the time. Just maintain it. Guess they are asking us to move forward. So let's go. We have 2 BMWs in a Honda event. I don't know if that's an R9, right? R9, R12? I don't know how they call that. And that's a 1250 GS. All right, here we go. we are taking small road from highway, so don't know exactly where we're going, but guess it's gonna be a little bit like small roads, town roads of but these town roads normally have morning traffic, like kids going to school, people going to market. You guys can see that already. And sun is rising up onto my right, and I don't have ND filters, so it can be all blown out. Don't know where we can get a pause so that I can put on my ND filters. Been mostly through highways, and the traffic was crazy. A lot of trucks, a lot of people on the streets. Now we are somewhere in Barria, before Phú Mỹ, and people stop for gas, and I got chance to put my ND filters on. That's Rob with his Chuk customized CB500X. Forgot his name. There are a lot of familiar faces from the last adventure workshop, so majority of the crowd are the same. Hope to get some trails once we reach Binh Thuan. Here we go again. So guys, on this Ride for All channel, I'm planning to branch out a little bit than just doing ride videos. I'm planning to do some gear reviews, motorcycle reviews, based on how I feel as a as a person who always consider value for money, quality, ease of use, long-term maintenance, and things like that. Wow, we are entering some different location. This is the first time I'm coming here. This looks nice. I have no idea where we are. mostly CB500X. So up until here it was all through highways, and then we had a few stretch of town roads. Now we are gonna get some food and drinks, not food but drinks and snacks, and then after that we will be heading out to the set destination, and over there we might do some trail hunting. Hope so. Not trail but sand. Sand is over here too. Let's see how we do. Gonna get some drinks. Let me put there.
Xin kính mời tất cả anh em biker chúng ta vào bên trong khu vực
that's where the
biển.
ND filter.
Chúng ta sẽ có đồ ăn sáng.
Okay, so people are gonna shout through mic, so I'll just show you guys the place here, and then I'm gonna take some rest. Alright, take some rest. So we had some snacks and some Red Bull, and some of us are gonna try out the sand ride. It's happening behind me. The trainers and the captains and the lead, they are trying it out right now, and after that we will try. Let's see how that goes.
Và chúng ta sẽ chạy qua khu vực bãi cát dọc theo khu vực bãi cát luôn. Và chúng ta sẽ quay lại về vị trí xuất phát.
By the way, the last guy, he's a professional stunt guy, okay? So that's a different level. I'm just gonna go slowly over that. Not like that. I think I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see. I don't know if they allow, but let's have a go watch. These are like fun rides, so nothing crazy, but it's crazy enough for me. So let's see how that goes. I have turned off traction control and ABS. Rob! Not going? Go! Ooh. Where's the high? Oh, it's over there. Ah! Come on. Ah! Ah! I will give it one more try. Going at it again. Let's see how it goes this time. Ah!
Hướng bên đây nè. Anh em ơi, hướng này.
Ah, okay, that was intensive on this. Yeah.
Okay, I'm tired.
What?
No, just
Two
kidding.
rounds. Just from that? That's the tiring bit. That's right there.
Exactly, that's the tiring bit, and I had to push this thing 200 kilograms.
So we are finally done with all the tryouts on this beach and had some water. Did some networking. Got to know Rob here. Rob is having fun. And I also got to know someone named Mario there in NX 500. Yep. Getting to know a few folks. It's good to do that so that we can hang out. I think there are a lot of sand on my bike right now, and hope to get it cleared once I'm back home. Or maybe if we get a rain on the way back, that'll be great. It'll wash up everything. Finally, we arrived somewhere in Muine. Gonna get some lunch, I guess. Lunchtime, guys. Let's eat. Yes. So we stopped at some place. I have no idea, but it's somewhere in Muine. Yeah, just close by is Muine, like the main street is nearby here. And gonna get some lunch. Lunchtime. Alright, let's get some fuel in.